Want more protection for less money? It's easier than you think. Insurance costs can add up, especially if you need multiple policies. But with Next Insurance, you can bundle your freelance coverage and actually pay less. Instead of buying separate general liability, professional liability, and equipment insurance from different providers, you combine them into one tailored package. This makes managing your coverage easier and can give you discounts, sometimes up to 10%. That means you're not only saving money, you're also making sure there are no gaps in your protection. One provider, one bill, one place to manage your policies. And since insurance specializes in freelancers, they know how to customize bundles for different professions. Whether you're a consultant, an artist, or a tech contractor, get more protection while keeping more money in your pocket. Click the link in the description below to bundle your coverage and save with Next Insurance.